Hello, it's a foggy old Wednesday the 8th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, there's a growing feeling around the City of London. Maybe a rate cut is needed to stimulate the UK economy and provide a little growth. Some even think the MPC may bow to pressure and cut rates tomorrow. The Bank of England certainly lacks a similar luxury that the Fed is enjoying, where the US economy is forecast for about 2–2.5% growth this year. The UK economy, meanwhile, will be doing well to stay out of recession. The government certainly needs rather desperately some good news stories if they are to close the gap on the Labour Party, and Labour remains concerned about how economic improvement could provide the impetus to the Tories. But despite all the economic and political pressure for a rate cut, a recent poll of economists was pretty evenly split between the first rate cut being June, September or November even. So that might mean that we're in for some volatility after the rate decision tomorrow. Be aware of that one. Over in the US, where inflation is looking increasingly sticky, the idea of another rate hike has started to gain traction once again. Where the pause has been extended for so long, the hawks are now adding to the chatter that a rate hike may be necessary if inflation is finally going to be defeated. The Fed will, of course, need to see plenty more data going against the curve before that becomes a reality, but it does reflect how the market may have got slightly ahead of itself. Where the initial pace of inflation falling was promising, perhaps they overlooked how job creation remains so strong, but where performance towards the back end of the curve has certainly slowed, that 2% target at the moment does still feel a little way off. Meanwhile, in the market, sterling lost ground after the bank holiday Monday. We fell to 125 against the dollar as the dollar index climbed to about 105.45 yesterday. We kick off this morning around 124.85 against the dollar, with 116.25 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 107.40 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.